Right, so that took a little longer than I was hoping it would, but at the same time, I'm not surprised. I've never used this chain tool before. Unfortunately, uh, I was trying to use this to press the plate in, and it wasn't working because the spacing here is designed for the 500 series chains, so it was too wide. And then uh, when I managed to press what I was doing was I was using the tool with this part. This is the chain breaker tool, but instead of using it to break the chain, I was using it to press the plate in. So I'd press the plate in on this side and then go and press the plate in on this side. And unfortunately, stupid me, like I was making sure to keep track of the width, you know? So I had my caliper here and I was checking the width. So the width of these ones is 10.7. Okay, let me see if I can get a measurement here. So 10.8, 10.7, around there. And I was measuring this one and I got it down to 11 millimeters. So I went and I tightened it even more, trying to get it down to 10.7. But when I did that, it started binding here. And stupid me, I looked at it and I'm thinking, oh fuck. Because this is 1.3 millimeters thick, and this one is 1.8. So I had to push the pins back out to remove the plate, and then push the pins back in, and then put the plate back on and push them in. So now it's 11. It should be 11 millimeters. Oops. So it's about 11 millimeters. 11 millimeters. And then I went to use the tool for the rivet to set the rivets. So the rivets diameter is 3.7, no, 3.8. Okay, and now I have them set to 4.2, both of them. So that shouldn't come off now. And I don't, I hope, well, I'm pretty sure I did. So you see, this is how, no, well, yeah, that's how it's supposed to do. But I think I damaged this one. See, it's meant for the 500 series chains. So I don't know, I hope I didn't damage it, but if I did, well, whatever. But it's surprising just how much force it took to make those rivets flare out. And just see if I can turn this one off. Oops. Right. And I don't know if you can see that there. They look good. No cracking. I'm pretty satisfied with that. Pretty satisfied with that. So now I could ride without fear. It was kind of tricky to do it because I wanted to make sure that the rivet side that I was riveting, because you can see the rivets protrude more than the other side here. And I don't want these colliding with my steel driven pulley here. So I made sure to put it on the aluminum side. Well, that was pretty hard to get on. So, but I won't be able to get it off so easily because one, that plate is pressed in there. So that plate is already being held in by friction, and it's not easy to unpress it because trust me, I tried to jam something in between the link here to spread it back out after I squished it too far in and it started binding. So that in itself is a major security and a plus. And then with the flared ends there like that, you know, it shouldn't go anywhere. So, man, it's cold. Holy shit, is it cold. The temperature is just taking a nosedive, man. Holy fuck. I'm shivering there. I'm gonna cut a few more pieces of wood and put it in the stove because I really want to get that bike going for Ba. Once I get this bike up and running. So I don't have much else to do. The brand new nut went on pretty good. Pretty flush. I think there was a washer there, but I'm not going to put it. And everything here is working fine. I went and I took the file to that to kind of smoothen it down. So, yeah. Oh, I didn't check to see if this was leaking anymore. No, it's not leaking anymore. Good. I'm going to shut it off now. Stay on the safe side. Right. And, good. that was something to get on. So next I had to take off the idler pulley. I mean, yeah, the tensioner pulley on the back. So then I have to put the chain back on the rear cog and then put the tensioner back on and yeah, then put the belt on and then put the filter on and then I'm done. So yeah. I like the kit though. I like it. If it was the right plate, I think it would have gone a lot faster because the rivet side centers itself in between the links and it keeps the plate there. So and what I find is that before you even try to put it on, use like a channel locks to press the plate onto the pins because you just can't push that in with your fingers. And honestly, I don't think I need to carry a spare Master Link. I'm pretty confident that will hold without a fuss. I mean, I think it's stronger than the stock links. Because to get that off, I think I might have to grind it off. Have a look-see in here. Oh fuck, that burned fast. Yeah, I'm hungry. Man, am I hungry. I really don't want to postpone that for tomorrow, but I think I'm going to stop to eat. Shit. This took longer than I would have liked it to. Especially having to deal with the carburetor. Damn. Oh well, that's how the ball rolls. I think what I'll do is when I pull off, I'm gonna pull off the hour meter from my lawnmower because I bought this one here for it, and that one there I'm gonna put a brand new battery in it, and I'll try to seal it up, and I'm gonna put it on the motor for Ba because I have to make sure and check the RPMs to adjust everything properly, and I might as well just leave it with the motor, and tell them change the oil every 50 hours. I went really far with break-in oil for this motor. And you know what? Because I bought some oil there. Where did I put it? I bought some oil there. Those guys at the fucking auto supply store sold me a blue bottle of oil. I don't remember where I put it. Oh fuck, did they even sell it to me? Am I daydreaming? Anyway, if I manage to find it, I should find it. It's not one of these. That's what I bought to break in. It has to be somewhere here. I'll use it on Ba's engine for the initial break-in, and then after that I'll encourage him to run the full synthetic AMSOIL. I know I have it somewhere. I gotta look for it. Fuck, man. I hate being so disorganized. Oh man. Anyway, yeah, I'm glad I got this far. I feel very good about that Master Link. I'm telling you, I don't regret buying it. I feel really, really good about it. I feel more confident putting that on. Very, not more, but very confident putting it on. Like, it actually, it didn't even cost that much. I think I paid what, $7 for it? You know? And I paid a lot for that fucking tool. So, well, a lot for me anyway. It's only $150, I think. So, yeah, well worth the money. Well worth the money. For the peace of mind, well worth the money. So, I'm gonna ride to town with that, with a peace of mind. And, you know,